Hey guys, I'm Prasad Sawant from Let's Upgrade, and I'm here to share you about our new full stack postgraduate programs which now Let's Upgrade is offering in following 4 domains, that is web development, where we'll cover everything from the basics of HTML to CSS to JavaScript to the whole MERN stack, and not only that but also Vue.js and Next.js. Now coming to the second program, we have Python and Django program, where we teach everything from the basics of Python, from why Python is needed, why it is so much in demand, to like all the new technologies like Flask, Tinta, PyQt, Django and other database systems like MongoDB, Redis, MySQL, and how to deploy all those models on cloud using Heroku and AWS. Now coming to the third program, that is data science. As you know, is very much booming in the industry right now, so we cover again from the very basics of Python to statistics to all the models and algorithms, and how to deploy and build models and projects based on that on real life use cases. Now coming to the very last and very important program, that is AI, ML and deep learning. So here at Let's Upgrade we have created this one all-in-one program where you learn about AI, about ML and about deep learning also in the same program. Now you must be thinking why and what all things are included in this program. So coming to what all things are there, so we teach everything live, so it's not recorded as others, it's 100% live. So everything from the day one to the day where you get certified, everything from that day till the very end is live, and you get recordings afterwards. So you learn from live industry trainers who have been who have experience for more than 5 to 7 years into that particular specific field. Now when you go to learn, you have doubts, so you can get your doubts resolved right there in the live sessions. You learn along with a batch of not more than 50 to 20 students, so that you get personalized attention and doubt clearing right there in the live session. Now coming to the whole program, this whole program is based on project building ecosystem. So from the day one you learn as like building projects, so you learn with building projects from very basics to building high complex end projects such as databases, or you can say e-commerce websites, or a Netflix clone, or even like how Uber APIs function in the backend. Now coming to the learning part, our LMS will provide you interactive learning. So in our LMS you not only get the live sessions but also you can come back and do the recordings anytime after the lecture is done. So now coming back to how you're going to build a project, so all the projects are hands-on learning along with the trainer, so you can basically code along with the trainer. And in this whole curriculum, each module is linked to one particular project, so whatever you learn to implement it using one project. So throughout the 6 months program you will be learning to build 15 projects, and the very last project, that is the 16th project, will be a capstone project from a live industry company who is working in a particular domain. So let's suppose you are in our web development program, so the 16th project will be from an XYZ firm which is having one website or one web app to be built, and Let's Upgrade will give that project to you. So you in an individual or in group can make that project and submit it to that company who will certify you for that particular project. Now coming back to the whole program and moving towards placements, the whole placement is like structured throughout the program. So the very first day when you joined, you are aligned to our one-to-one mentorship calls, wherein every week you have to book half an hour slot with us, wherein our mentors and your industry specific trainers will sit along with you half an hour, get to know your profile, your background in terms of your academics, and where you are currently standing and how you are seeing yourself in 6 months. So we do it by creating your resume on the very first day, get to know about what you have done, what you have achieved, what are those companies you are looking to get placed in, and throughout this 6 months we map your tasks according to those apart from your learning. So not only you are building projects in your learning but also in your mentoring sessions. Not only that, you will also participate into Let's Upgrade hackathons, which happens every week, so you are exposed to that deadlines, those project research and the whole process out there. So once you are in that industry, you are very much ready to face all those hurdles. And second, not only that, going forward, when we like all students have that particular standard resume which we submit, which does not make it to the second round, so Let's Upgrade caters to that as well. So in our placement and job assistance, we take care of you end to end, from teaching you how to build your crisp and clear resume, to re-engineering your LinkedIn profile, to how to apply to jobs, which jobs to apply for, how to improve your communication and presentation skills, to actually scheduling your mock interviews and your actual interviews along with our placements team. So we will schedule your interviews until and unless you are getting placed. So that's all about our Let's Upgrade PGP Full Stack programs, and we assure you to a great career ahead So all these features and all these projects and everything at Let's Upgrade, we are just providing at 10% of the cost in the market. That is just for 25,600. So why pay 2 lakh 3 lakhs elsewhere when you can do the same thing, same quality, same trainers, same support here at Let's Upgrade at just 25,600.